Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go and how to change the email that you log into Facebook with. This is a good idea if you want to add extra security or additional options when trying to log in or rescue an account, or maybe you've just stopped using an old email address and want to update it. To do this, open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu button on the bottom right. Inside of here, scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Inside of Settings, tap Personal Information. Next in here, hit Contact Info. Here you'll find all of the emails that you currently have associated with your account. At the bottom, tap Add Email Address. Enter the new email address that you want to use and then hit Add Email. You'll then see that the new email address was added to your list but is now pending. To finish, hit Confirm. It will then email you a code that you can copy and paste and then hit Confirm to finish. After that, you'll then see that the email has been confirmed and added to the list, allowing you to use it for anything inside of Facebook. You can then select the email and choose to make it your primary for your account. And that's how you add emails to Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.